How does the internet actually work? Hello and welcome to our video on how the internet actually works. In this video, we will be exploring the inner workings of the internet. We know the internet is a huge part of our lives, but do we really understand how it all comes together? Firstly, let's talk about what the internet is. The internet is a global network of computers that are connected to each other through cables, satellites, and other technologies. These computers can share data and communicate with each other across the globe. One of the most crucial components of the internet is the World Wide Web, or the web, for short. The web is a system of interconnected websites that we can access through web browsers like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Websites are stored on servers, which are powerful computers that are always connected to the internet. When we type in a URL or click on a link, our browser sends a request to the server where that website is located. The server then sends the website data back to our browser, which is displayed on our screens. But how does all of this communication really happen? Well, let's start by understanding a protocol called Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, TCP/IP. This protocol is used to transmit data across the internet. The TCP/IP protocol breaks down data into small units, or packets, that can travel independently across the internet. Each packet of data contains the sender's IP address, a unique identifier for each device connected to the internet, and the receiver's IP address, along with the data being transmitted. When we send data over the internet, it goes through a series of routers and switches that help direct the packets to their destination. Routers are like traffic signals for the internet, making sure that the data travels along the most efficient path to its destination. Switches are like bridges that connect various devices, such as computers, servers, and routers, to the internet. But what happens if a packet of data gets lost or doesn't make it to its destination? That's where error-correcting codes come in. These codes are added to the data before transmission and help ensure that any errors made during transmission can be corrected. Another important aspect of the internet is the domain name system, DNS. The DNS is like a phone book for the internet, translating domain names, like google.com, into IP addresses that computers can understand. When we type a URL into our browser, the browser sends a request to a DNS server to translate the domain name into an IP address. Once the browser receives the IP address, it sends a request to the server where that website is located. It's also important to understand that not all of the internet is visible to us. The deep web, or hidden web, is made up of websites that are not indexed by search engines and can't be accessed through a regular browser. These websites often require special software, like Tor, and are used for illegal activities, like drug trafficking and illegal weapons trade. Finally, let's talk about security on the internet. When we send data over the internet, it can be intercepted and read by anyone who has access to our network or the devices transmitting. In order to secure our data, we use encryption. Encryption involves scrambling data so that it can only be read by someone with the key to unscramble it. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, is an example of an encrypted protocol used for secure online transactions, like online banking and shopping. In conclusion, the internet is a vast and complex network of connected devices, websites, and protocols. Understanding how it all works is important for ensuring that we can use the internet to its full potential while also protecting our data and privacy. We hope you found this video informative and that it helps you better understand the workings of the internet. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.